Most homeowners wait too long to call for a professional cleaning, and by the time they do, the buildup is much harder to fix. We're in homes all the time where people are cleaning regularly, but dirt, dust, and buildup keep coming back. In this video, we'll show you how to know when routine cleaning isn't enough anymore, and when it actually makes sense to bring in a professional. For most homeowners, cleaning is something that you stay on top of, vacuuming, wiping things down, doing your best to keep everything in good shape. But over time, there's a layer of buildup that normal cleaning just doesn't remove. That could be deep in your carpets, inside upholstery, in air systems, or even in areas you don't think about regularly. And the challenge is, it doesn't always look obvious at first. A lot of what builds up in a home isn't just surface level dirt. It's fine particles, dust, allergens, oil, pet dander that settles into materials over time. And regular cleaning tools aren't designed to fully remove that. So even though they might look clean on the surface, what's underneath continues to build up. And that's when homeowners start noticing changes, smells, discoloration, or just a space that doesn't feel as fresh. When you bring in a professional cleaning service, the goal isn't to clean what you can see. It's to remove what's built up below the surface. That usually starts with evaluating the material, carpet, furniture, or other areas, or identifying where the buildup is. From there, we use specialized equipment designed to extract dirt, oils, and particles that standard cleaning can't reach. You'll often see a step-by-step process, pre-treatment, deep cleaning, and then proper drying. And that's what allows the space to actually reset. Not just look clean, but be clean. This is where there's a big difference between surface cleaning and doing it the right way. A professional approach focuses on material, the condition, and the right method for each situation. It's not one size fits all. And just as important, it's about doing the work carefully, protecting the home, explaining what's being done, and making sure the results last. After a proper professional cleaning, most homeowners notice the difference right away. Carpets feel softer, colors look more even, and the space just feels cleaner overall. In some cases, it also helps with air quality, especially if there's a buildup of dust or allergens. And over time, regular professional cleaning can actually help extend the life of the materials in your home. If you're starting to notice these signs in your home, it may be a good time to have it looked at and see what a deeper cleaning could do. A quick assessment can help you understand what's worth addressing now and what can wait. And if you want to learn more, check out the other videos on our channel where we can break down specific cleaning services in more detail.